So my husband's bringing home some Publix chicken, and yes, this Southern girl knows how to make fried chicken right in the skillet. I do, but you know what? When you can buy it and it tastes as good as Publix, why not? But I don't want to spend all that money on all the fixings to go with it, so I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to make some coleslaw.
You will need one 14-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. Go ahead and put that in a bowl, and I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. You'll need a half a cup, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then mix this around. Now you want to mix this really well. Add a little pepper, just a dash of salt. This will need to chill for at least 2 hours. This is an easy, delicious summer side dish, and it goes great with Publix chicken too.